The GATERON Green Apple Switches offer a heavy tactile experience, making them ideal for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who appreciate a satisfying typing feel. These switches are equipped with a 63-gram operating force, providing a unique and smooth feedback unlike other models. They are compatible with through-hole LED setups, ensuring great visual customization for your mechanical keyboard. With a lifespan of approximately 80 million keystrokes, these switches promise durability and longevity for frequent typists. The switches feature a 5-pin structure which enhances their stability and reliability in a wide range of MX mechanical keyboards. Factory pre-lubed with high-quality materials, these switches offer a smoother typing experience right out of the box.